Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows 10 and 11. First, right-click on the Start menu and select Run. Now type temp and click on OK. Here, a folder will open, select all the files inside and delete them to clear temporary data. Then go back and again right-click on the Start menu and select Run. Now type %, temp%, and click on OK. Once the folder opens, delete all the files here as well to remove leftover cache. Next, open Settings on your computer. Here, click on Apps from the left side. Then click on Installed Apps and search for Roblox. Now uninstall Roblox, then reinstall it again from the Microsoft Store or the Roblox website. Finally, go back and restart your computer. Once it turns back on, try launching Roblox again, and it should work smoothly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.